Well, congratulations on hitting it big. You just scored a cool $1,721,493.54. That's a lot of money, and it's undoubtedly exciting. Now, while it's easy to get caught up in the thrill, but remember, with great wealth comes great responsibility. Let's break down the steps to help you make the most of your newfound fortune. And hey, while you're here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more financial wisdom. First things first, let's secure that money. If you're holding on to cold hard cash, get it into a safe bank account right away. If it's a check, get it cashed up quick. Now, when it comes to choosing a bank, look for one that's as safe as Fort Knox. You want a place that's going to protect your money, and maybe even give you a little something extra in interest. Consider how easy it is to get to your money and watch out for those pesky fees. Some banks even offer financial advice, which can be a real blessing. There are different kinds of accounts for different folks. A high-yield savings account is like a trusty old friend, always there when you need it. A money market account is a little more fancy, with higher interest rates, but it might have some rules. And then there's certificates of deposit or CDs, which lock your money up for a while but can pay off big time. Remember, folks, your money is like your family. Protect it. Use strong passwords, that two-step verification thing, and keep an eye on your accounts. Now, it's smart to keep your new money separate from your everyday cash. Open up a special savings account just for this windfall. That way you can watch it grow without messing with your regular bills. And listen, sometimes it's wise to get a little help. A financial advisor can be like a roadmap to your money future. They can help you set goals, figure out investments, and even help with taxes. And don't forget about a tax pro to help you keep more of what's yours. Before you start dreaming of exotic vacations, let's talk about the here and now. Build yourself a little safety net, an emergency fund to cover unexpected bumps in the road. If you got any debts, like credit cards, pay those off first. And don't forget about protecting what you've got. Review your insurance policies, and maybe even get some extra coverage for peace of mind. Now let's talk about the big picture. What do you want to achieve with this money? Retirement? A new home? Sending your kids to college? Set some goals and make a plan. Investing your money is like planting a seed. With care, it can grow into something beautiful. Talk to a financial advisor about building an investment portfolio that works for you. And don't forget about taxes. There's ways to save money there too. And remember, folks, it's important to plan for the future. Make a will, set up a trust, and get your affairs in order. That way your loved ones will be taken care of. If you're feeling generous, consider giving back to your community. Help out a charity or invest in the education of a young mind. And if you got the entrepreneurial spirit, maybe this is your chance to start that business you've always dreamed of. Remember, everyone's situation is different. This is just a starting point. Talk to a financial advisor to get personalized advice. So there you have it, folks. Congratulations again on your windfall. With a little planning and smart choices, you can turn this into a lifetime of financial security and happiness. Remember, now that God has blessed you to be a blessing to others, educate those within your circle and outside in how to operate according to biblical principles, from poverty to wealth. Now don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more words of wisdom. Also, remember to let this mind be in you that was also in Christ Jesus. Until next time, be blessed.